Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Aditi and you're watching The Aditi's World. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can get perfect base or like a foundation routine. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. But before we started with today's video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, press the little bell button so you get notified every time I posted a new video. And now without any further delay, let's just get into the video. So guys, the very first step is to rubbing an ice cube. So not most of the people do this step, but I would like to do this especially when I wanted my makeup to last really long. So guys, ice cube helps in minimizing open pores and it also helps in giving you that dewy look. So do try this step next time you're going to do your makeup and you're gonna love it. So you simply have to take ice cube and rub it all over your face, especially on centers of your face like around your nose, around your mouth area, on your forehead and on your chin. And after applying ice cube, you're gonna feel really fresh. So after rubbing ice cube, now our second step is to moisturize our face. So you can literally take any moisturizer of your choice. So I am using Himalaya one. So you simply have to massage it all over your face and after that you have to let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's move on to our step number third, which is to prime our face. So for that you did not have to buy any primer from market. You can simply use aloe vera gel or glycerin in the place of primer. So you have to concentrate primer again on centers of your face, like around your nose, around your mouth area, on your forehead and on your chin. And if you have open pores problem all over your face, you can apply primer all over your face. So after all these three steps, finally our fourth step is to apply foundation. So for that here I am using Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation and I am in the shade Natural Marble. And this is a perfect shade for my skin tone. So in case if you are someone near to my skin, you can definitely check this one out. All the links will be in the description box below. Anyways, let's move on to our foundation. So here's a tip for you that never ever use lots of foundation in one go. Do take it little and then build it up later. So in this way your base does not look so heavy and it's going to look so natural and perfect. So here I am using a damp beauty blender instead of brush in order to blend my foundation. So guys, every time you use beauty blender, do keep it in mind to always use it in dabbing motion and not in rubbing motion. मीन्स आपको कभी भी अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को अपनी स्किन पे रब नहीं करना है एंड हमेशा आपको इसे डैप करना है. सो ऐसा करने से आपका फाउंडेशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड जब भी आप अपने फेस पे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को रब करते हो तो वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं दिखता है एंड आपकी स्किन पे टेक्सचर दिखते हैं. सो गाइस, अच्छे से अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से आपको अपने पूरे फाउंडेशन को ब्लेंड कर लेना है अपने पूरे फेस पे. एंड कभी भी गाइस आपको फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करते टाइम ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपको अपने नेक को एंड अपने ईयर्स को बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं करना है. ज़्यादातर लोग अपने नेक को एंड अपने ईयर्स को स्किप कर देते हैं एंड देन उनका फेस एंड नेक दो अलग अलग कलर के दिखते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता एंड अलग से ही पता चलता है कि आपने मेकअप किया हुआ है. तो अच्छे से आप जब अपने फाउंडेशन को एक बार ब्लेंड कर लोगे देन उसके बाद आप इसे बिल्ड कर सकते हो एक और कोट फाउंडेशन का अप्लाई करके, ताकि आपका बेस और ज़्यादा परफेक्ट लगे. सो अब आप सोचोगे कि हमने एक बार में ही ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन क्यों नहीं अप्लाई कर लिया जब हमें डबल से लगाना ही था. तो अगर हम एक बार में ही ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन लगा लेते तो हमारा फाउंडेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी केकी सा लगता एंड हमें बिल्ड करना चाहिए हमेशा हमारे फाउंडेशन को, ताकि ये नेचुरल एंड हैवी ना लगे, लाइक नेचुरल लगे, हैवी ना लगे. So guys, after foundation, let's quickly move on to our concealer. So here I am using this Insight Pro concealer and I am in the shade 04 Golden Sand. So guys, every time you apply concealer, do keep it in mind to always apply concealer in V shape and not in U shape. So I am using concealer on my eyelids also, cause I am not going to use any eye primer. And you can also use concealer on higher points of your face, like on your nose, on your forehead and on your chin, to highlight them. And for blending this, I am going to use same beauty blender, and I am going to blend it very nicely. Now, soon after the application of concealer, you should move on to the powder. So you need to do this really quickly, otherwise you start creasing. So for today I am using Blue Heavens loose powder in the shade Natural. So you can use the sponge that comes with it, but I am using same beauty blender. So even if you have dry skin, you did not have to skip powder. Of course, you have to apply very little amount then. Make sure to use it on your eyes and on your smile lines. I also like to take this powder to set my eyelids. So now for the forehead, you need to be very relaxed and press the product in. Now for your smile line, you need to do this. Like you need to do this and then apply your powder on your smile lines. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you literally do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, press that little bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. And also guys, if you have any video suggestion, do not forget to share it with me in the comment section below. And also if you see this face for the very first time, do not forget to check all the videos linked below. And now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay positive, and bye guys.